Welcome to our next lesson in trigonometry. The last class we have seen some of the ratios and how to find value of sine of an angle, sine 45, cos 45, sine 30, sine 60 and so tan 30 and all. Now we'll take some more problem to understand the concept. So the first problem in a triangle ABC right angle at B. So you may ask a very simple question: why? So we'll draw a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. So what he says, AB is equal to 24 centimeters. BC is equal to 7. When it's right angle triangle, we can find the value of AC using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 24 square plus 7 square. AB is equal to 24. 24 square is 424. 96. 9. We will multiply that will be better. 24 over 25. 4, 4, 4. This 96. 2, 24 is 48. And 40 plus is 576 plus 48. If you add, this will be 625. 625 with the 5 indicates this is equal to 25 square. So probably in right angle triangle you deal this 24, 27 means hypotenuse 25. So we see so many combination, no? 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Now 3, 4, 5 in that order. Or you try to find out, 12 12 square plus. So you have to find out what is the 13 square is 169. 12 square is 144 minus it 25. This is 5. From 5 square is equal to 30. These three we deal very often. 3, 4, 5, 12, 5, 13, or 24, 7, 25. Once if you know the, so you can now find out, determine sin A, cos A. What is sin A? Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is equal to 7 by 25. Cos A is equal to 24 by 25. What about sin C? Sin C. Sin C is equal to 24 by 25. Cos C is equal to 7 by 25. So you can compare this sin A versus cos C. Cos A versus sin C. They are equal. So this is how we say sin of an angle is equal to cos of 90 minus A. Cos A is equal to sin of 90 minus A. This is how we remember. So we have to remember certain values so that while going further in determining the ratios, it will be very easy for you. Sine of an angle is equal to cos of 90 minus. Cos of an angle is equal to sine of 90 minus A. So we'll take some more example. Take sine 0. This is 0 is equal to cos 90. Sine 90 is equal to cos 0. We can make out what is sine 30. Sine 30 equal to cos 60. Sine 60 is equal to cos 30. This way we should try to remember. So this problem we have see these ratios. Initially we have to work out at least 2 times to remember what is what is how sine, how we view cos. It's a ratio. Sine of an angle is a ratio. Okay, next in the figure we will find some more ratios. So I have given some many clues in the first problem. The figure second problem is tan p minus cot r. So find tan p minus cot r. So this triangle PQR should just do what? Hypotenuse is 13. Hypotenuse is 13. One side is 12, the other side is 5. Now how you will find out? 13 square minus 12 square is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. So this is QR square is equal to 25. QR is equal to 5. What is this one? PQ square, sorry, PR square minus PQ square. So PR square minus PQ square equal to QR square. This is by height. We can find tan P now. What is tan of an angle? This one. But we don't require PR this because we are talking about tan and cot. But still, I want you to know this. That is all. Okay. Tan. For finding tan of an angle, you don't require hypotenuse. But you require both sides. So tan P is 5 by 12. Opposite side by adjacent side. Cot R. Cot R is equal to 5 by 12. Same. So tan of an angle, tan P is equal to cot 90 minus P. So R is 90 minus P. But this is the right angle. So you may ask another question. So if the triangle is like this, for example, this ABC. So what about the side of this one? Is it opposite side by hypotenuse? No, opposite side is not AC. Now from A we have to draw a perpendicular line. Waiting say at D. Now AD by AB is the sine of this angle. That's how it goes. It's a ratio. Now here AB is the hypotenuse and AD is the opposite side. Suppose if sine of angle C is AD divided by AC is the hypotenuse for that. AD divided by AC. Like that it goes. So we just go to next problem. So you remember a triangle. there's a link between tan of an angle and cot of 90 minus angle. They are same. Next problem. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. So in every problem we'll just draw a triangle. If sin A, let us take this as A. And then this is C. Oh, this is this C. So what is this? Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Sin A is opposite side. This is 3. 4 is hypotenuse. Calculate cos A and tan A. Sin A is equal to 3 divided by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. So it is not just 3, 4 or 5 like that we can find out in this case. It's entirely different now. Sin A is equal to 3, 4. What about cos A? Cos A is equal to now it's AB by CA. So we know what's AB. So AB square is equal to hypotenuse square 4 square minus BC square 3 square is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to square. So AB is equal to root 7. So AB is equal to root 7. AB, yeah, root 7 divided by 4 is the answer for cos. What about tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent root 7. That's, if we know two sides, we can find out the third side always. We will put problem number 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. So this problem we can rewrite cot A is equal to 8 by 15. We can write this way. Divide both sides by 50. So shall we draw the diagram? Small diagram will do. Cot A, let us take this as A, is equal to 8 by 15. So this is A, this is 50. Adjacent by opposite is the cot A. So he's asking to find out what is the third side. So let us take this as BC. Now AC square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square is 225 plus 64 is equal to 289. Whether this is equal to something. So can we take it as 17 square? You just see. What about 17 square is correct? 17 into 17 is 7 sevens are 49, 4 sevens are 11, 70. Oh, sorry, 7, 7, 4. Yeah, 280. Yeah, it's correct. It's 17 square. So AC is equal to 70. AC square is equal to 17 square. So 15 8 is 70. So what is side A? Sine of this angle opposite side by hypotenuse 15 by secant A. So secant A. Cos A is 8 by 17. Secant is the reverse. 17 by secant is 17 by. That is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Please repeat this problem. I'm trying to find out whether any of the things ratios have gone wrong. And you will try to verify. You have to tell me the next whether all the ratios are correct or not. Now this is I take as theta, secant theta. Okay, secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Secant theta is equal to so. So I told you draw a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse 30. One side is 12. The other is 5. This is the standard pattern I told you. This you have to get familiarized. You try this one. 13 square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. Or you can say you have given 13 and 12, they are given 12 cos. Now this is theta. Secant is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. 13 means it is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So calculate other trigonometric ratios. Now you try what is sin theta 5 by 30, cos theta 12 by 30. So cos secant, cos reversal. What about tan theta? It's 5 by 12. Sine is there too. Cosecant theta is just reverse 13 by 12. Tan, cotangent. Cot theta is equal to 12 by 5. These ratios, as we do more, we'll get familiarized with it. So please repeat the prompts and find out whether you're convenient with this, or if you try to find out the mistakes in the problem, then you'll understand what is the exact significance of it. Okay. Next, if angle A and angle A are acute angles such that, sorry, this is B, angle A and the angle B are acute, such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So what exactly says cos A is equal to cos B? So given is cos A is equal to cos B. Show that angle A is equal to angle B. So how exactly you can go about it? Yeah. Now, so what is the cos A? Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So let us draw a diagram. Okay, let us take it as A BC. So cos A and B both are acute. So this is B. This is C. A and B both are acute. A and B, that is given. Acute angle. You know? So what is cos A? It is what is cos A of AC divided by AB. What about cos B? Cos B is BC divided by AB. So AC divided by AB is equal to BC divided by AB. Denominator is same. So therefore AC is equal to BC. If AC is equal to BC, these both angles are equal to, therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 45 degrees. How can it really be? A is equal to B because what about this triangle? Two sides are equal. So opposite two angles are equal. So these two angles put together 90 degrees. Each one is 45 degrees. And two sides of a triangle are equal. The respective angle are equal. So the sum of the two angle is equal to 90 degrees. So each angle A and B is equal to 90 degrees. So we will try to evaluate this one. 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus sine. Okay, we can do in two ways. Cos theta is given. Okay, let us draw the diagram. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So this is 7. This is 8. Cot theta is 7, 8. What about the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to 8 square plus 7 square equal to 64 plus 49 equal to this 113. Am I correct? So this problem we can put value of sine and also multiply and solve. There's one more method we will try now. We'll first multiply 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta. That's like a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 square is 1 divided by similarly a plus b remains b. 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. Divide 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. Cos by sin. Cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. How? cos square theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. To the sin square theta. What about sin square theta in the denominator? How it will come? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Denominator. So this will get cancelled. Adjacent by opposite side is cot theta. It had worked it out separate again. So the problem is simply is equal to cot square theta or cot theta is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 square is equal to 49 by 64 is the answer. So we'll try to put value, we can put value and also try. We'll try the other method. 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta is 8 by this is hypotenuse square is equal to 8 square plus hypotenuse is equal to root of this one. This is root of 113. 1 plus sin theta is 8 by 113 multiplied by 1 minus 8 by root 113. So divided by plus cos 1 plus 7 by root 113 multiplied by 1 plus 1 minus root of 7 by root 3. If you solve this, you take it as a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So this is b square. This is 8 square divided by 113. Denominator it is 7 square divided by 113. This 113 will get cancelled. Now if we solve it's a square minus b square minus this is 8 multiplied by 8 is 64 root 113 multiplied by root 113 becomes 64 by 113 divided by 1 minus 7 square is 44 by 113. If you multiply and divide by 113, 113 minus 64 is equal to 49 by 113 minus 49 is 64. Same answer you will get. So we'll go to next problem. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A multiplied by sin square A. They are asking to just check out when cot A is equal to 4 by 3. So in every problem we should try to draw the diagram. Okay, now put something as A, then you will know cot A is adjacent side is 4, opposite side is 4. This is now you can just put the values and just check. Cot A is 4 by 3. Correct? Okay. What about 1 minus tan square A? So let us directly put 1 minus tan A is 3 by 4. Tan square is 3 by 4 square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 square. So you put 1 minus 3 by 4 square is 9 by 60 divided by 1 plus 9 by 60. So 60 you multiply 16 minus 9. Top is 16 minus 9 divided by 60. Here 16 plus 9 divided by 60. The 60 and 60 will get cancelled. 60 minus 9 is 7. 7 divided by 25. So we'll do the same thing for the other one. What about cos square A? What is cos A first? What is cos A is 3 by 5. So cos square A multiplied by sin square A, cos square A is equal to 3 by 5 root square multiplied by sin square, oh sorry, cos square is 4 by 5, not 3 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square multiplied by sin square A is 3 by 5 whole square equal to 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 divided by 25 multiplied by 3 square is 9 divided by 25. Let's say no. These two are not equal. This is 25 multiplied by 20. This is different figure. They are not equal. So we know the value of cot A. You multiply and you just try to repeat the problem. You just put values and find out whether the answer is correct or not. Again, you repeat. Thank you. Now, just to sum up the whole problem, in trigonometric ratios, what we do, we try to find out the value of sine, cos, or tan of the angle. We try to construct and find out the value of either hypotenuse or other missing side. Whatever ratio we want, we can work out. You just apply the formula, Pythagoras theorem, to find out the third side, and we compare with the standard equations. That is all. When you know cot A is 4 by 3, 1 minus tan square A. By what? Whether it's correct, but cos square A and by sin square A. No, it's not. Just try to repeat the problem and find out whether you're getting the same answer. Thank you. In trigonometric ratios, we just try to do many problems. Afterwards, we will be thorough with the ratios and how to calculate in this case. Thank you.